Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use bookmarks, notes, and highlights on your Amazon Kindle 11. So, first of all, it's very important to mention that we can only use these features with the books that we either purchased or sent to our device using Send to Kindle feature of Amazon. And second, we cannot add written notes in books. We can only highlight the text and create so-called annotations. To do all of that, we have to open a book that we purchased, then reach the place where we want to pin something, or add a bookmark or a highlight. Then, if you tap at the top of your screen, you'll be able to bookmark a page by tapping the bookmark icon in the top right corner of it. All the bookmarks can be then found in the Notebook menu. If you want to highlight a text and save it, you have to hold your finger down on it, then select the text that you want to highlight and tap this A icon. And then this page with this text can be also found in your Notebook section. And if you want to pin something, you just have to select the position that you want to pin and tap the pin icon. And if you want to access your pinned elements, you're gonna have to tap the pin icon in the bottom right corner of your book. Here you can also delete the pin by tapping the three-dot icon and selecting delete pin or delete all pins if you want to delete them all. If you want to remove bookmarks or highlights, you have to go to the Notebook menu, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of a bookmark or a highlight and tap delete. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.